Hello and welcome to Coding Tutorials. So what this whole series is going to be, my plan for it, is just a full set of in-depth, short, quick videos that explain each, like once I explain the setup and everything in this episode, little tidbits about different syntaxes and other things that you'll need when coding. I'm starting with HTML, and then I'm going into CSS. And the purpose is that just when you're making a project and you need to know, this specific syntax, you can go find that video and watch it. Or you can watch them in order and get a general idea of what's going on. So let's look into setting up our environment that we're going to use to code. So what you really need is just two tools, and they're both free. The first of which is Notepad. I'll put the link in the description, but you just go here. Easy, you click Notepad, you get it, it's all the way free. Once you've downloaded and installed it, just open it up, and you'll be presented with something like this, and you just go down a language, H for HTML, choose it, and then everything you type, it helps keep it color-coded, and it's nice and free, a good environment to use. The other thing you're going to need when doing this is just any sort of web browser. I personally use Google Chrome, but you can put whatever you want. Whichever one you're using to watch this video probably is what you're going to want to use. And that's what you can use to view the things you get, because what HTML really is just hypertext markup language, and what a web browser is just a program that reads and exports what it's told to export in the HTML file, and we'll get into that more later. So once you have these two things set up, really easy, all you have to do is just the general idea when approaching a project, in my mind, is once you have a basic understanding of HTML and CSS and PHP, if that's what you want to use, and how they all work together, you start a new project and you have what you have in mind, and then just get started. Start writing stuff down, see what it looks like, and then look into changing it. You change what you want to change, depending on how you want it to look, and that's when my videos will come in, because you can watch a few, get a general idea of how HTML works, and then you want to, specifically make a certain thing happen on your website. You can come look at that video to see what's going on, and that's really all that you need to know. So if you click on to my next video, we'll start talking about a few things when setting up your first HTML file.